We have a rare sighting. The Mrs. Agassi, nag-workout. Kailangan sexy siya. Yung 12% body fat niya, kailangan 8 by Sunday.
Bakit kaya?
Bakit kaya? Alamin. Gugupit na ako, mag-shave. Seryoso. The rare sighting. Ako naman magka-cardio. Hi guys. Ayun. The couple that prays together, eats together, works out together, stays forever. Saan ka, love? Ayun. Saan ka pupunta, ha? Ayun. So, kailangan lang consistent tayo sa goals. So, yan. Susunod niya yung workout na ginawa namin. Whole body workout siya. Yun. Siya whole body. Actually, ako rin whole body. Yun nag-work. Tapos, more sets. Kasi pag binikitan yung joints ko, pati siya, joints niya. Yun lang. Do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako, mature doctor. Happy healthy, guys.